That was a what? Yeah, I know. Hey folks, welcome back. This is Tanya. And as we all know, Coach Prime has got some of us on a different mindset right now. He let us know, I'm coming and I'm bringing Louis. I was thinking about that the other day as I was preparing for my trip. And I knew I needed a stadium bag or some type of a clear bag to carry my keys and wallet in. And so I decided to make one. I had ordered a couple bags and the whole idea of I'm bringing Louis came to mind the other day. And I was like, you know what? I can take some of my old Louis Vuitton pieces, whether they're real or fake, we won't get into that, but I can make me a bag. And my imagination is always running wild. And so I did just that. I created a bag out of some old pieces. And, it's all just fabric. The material it's just all material that can be restitched together. And so that's what I did here. I took Louis Vuitton pieces, cut them up, and created a bag that I could carry to the game. Coach started this mess when he said, I'm bringing Louis. Baby, I'm bringing Louis too. And I had an idea in mind. It didn't really come out the way I envisioned because I didn't draw a pattern out or anything. I just kind of visualized what I wanted to do and then just sewed it together. And in a way, it comes out looking like just a checkbook cover with I don't want a big checkbook cover flap on my bag. But the bag that I designed, the way that I stitched it together, it didn't quite do what I wanted it to do. So I'm going to take it apart. But tell me in the comments, do you like it tall? Do you like it short? The zipper part that I made I wanted it to be flat. So I may take it apart and redo it. I already have another idea for another Louis bag. And I'm going to take some of my old, I have an old satchel and also have an old duffel bag that's LV. And I'm going to chop it up. I haven't used that stuff in years. And so it would be cool to create a couple of different bags with the LV fabric attached. Some stadium bags, some clear stadium bags for the games. You can also use these bags for like concerts. Now they're requiring that you use these clear bags when you go places. So let me see what I can come up with and I will get back with you. Let me know if you like what I'm doing. And if not, keep it to yourself. That's how I do it. I'm out. Peace.